Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I made plantain boat. Yum yum yum. So I have overripe plantains, mozzarella cheese, cooked chicken franks, red chili powder, melted butter, and pepper sauce. So this is just pepper mix. I blended it and spiced it up, and that's what it is. Okay, so I peeled the plantains and I'm rubbing some melted butter all over the plantains because we'll be baking this, so the butter would help give it some ding ding. Okay, so after that I sprinkled some chili powder on the plantains. The butter would help the pepper stick to the body of the plantains. Yeah, so after that again I cut in the plantain in the middle. I cut it open in the middle. Okay, so you have to be careful not to cut it too deep so that it doesn't bust open on the end, and then you don't cut it too, how do I put it, you don't cut it too long such that it gets to the tip of the plantain so that it doesn't cut out as well. So basically you're just cutting open the middle of the plantain. So that's what I did. Again, I'm putting some chili powder because I like it hot and spicy. Yeah, again I'm just using my fingers to open it very well so that it's big enough to contain my filling. So like I said, be careful when doing this so that you don't break your plantains in the process. So I did the same thing for the second one, but no need for the video, so I cut that part out. So I baked this at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And next up, while the plantain is baking, I prepared the filling. So this is me grating mozzarella cheese. Yeah. So basically what I did was to mix all of my ingredients, the rest of the ingredients together. I added the chili and the diced chicken franks. I mixed them up, and that's all. Simple. And one thing about this is you can put anything you want in the plantain boats. Yeah, my plantains are ready, looking all beautiful and nice. It was really hot. I was trying not to burn myself here. Okay, so I'm just opening up the hole I created earlier, and this is where we'll put our filling. So if you didn't do this before baking, it will be hard because the plantain will be soft and you might risk damaging your plantain. So it's advisable you do it before baking. So here I'm filling up the space I created with my filling. Like I said, you can put anything in your plantain boat. It could be veggies, it could be eggs, it could be beans, porridge beans. So basically it's like making a sandwich you can make, whip up anything you have, and that's it. So I'm topping it here with mozzarella cheese. I'm not going to top the other one because my friend doesn't want mozzarella cheese and she's eating the second plantain. So I baked this for 10 minutes until the cheese melted, and that's all. So simple and easy, and it tastes amazing. You should try it, guys, and let me know in the comment section when you do. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Yeah, so this is me, I like effect for my picture's sake. So that's some dried oregano on it. Yeah, a finished look. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.